Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install MySQL Workbench on Windows. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and type MySQL Workbench download. So this is the official website where you can download MySQL Workbench. Okay, click on that. So this is the 8.0 this is the version of this software. So I'm going to click on download and then click no thanks, just start my download. So it's downloading, as you can see here. So let me check the download folder. It's downloading, as you can see. Workbench has been downloaded. Now let's install it. Click on that and next, complete. There are two options, which is custom or complete. I will choose complete and install. Yes, it's installing on Windows. Yes, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you with that. Yeah, as you can see, the installation is completed, so click on finish. Congratulations, MySQL Workbench has been successfully installed on Windows. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.